Okay guys, in this video session let us discuss the second part of Strasson's matrix multiplication. So in this session I would like to declare the different methods for subtraction, addition, splitting and joining, and finally the main method. First of all, going to the subtraction method, public int, so here it must be int subtract. In that int I am taking two arrays A and B. Okay, next in that I am going to take the length of the array. Int n is equals to capital A dot length. Here the length is equals to the length of the given matrix. Next, int c equals to new int okay, the c is used to store the output of the given two arrays. Okay, next for finding the output, int I equals to 0, I must be less than n, I plus plus. So next, for there is no need for loop here. Okay, in this for loop I would like to declare int j equals to 0, j must be less than n, and j plus plus. Here this loop is used for printing the output. So in this c I j is equals to capital A of I j minus capital B of j I j. Okay, I think so you understood it. Next, similarly for we have to return it. So return what we have to return C. Okay, return C. Okay, after returning the C value, the subtraction operation will be performed here where the subtraction operation is present, there the subtraction operation will be performed. Next, coming to the addition operation, I am just copying this and change the signs. So here in place of sub I add I copied add, and here in place of minus I add addition. Okay, this is same as subtraction, but we are changing the signs. So here addition operation will be called when the addition operation is called here. Okay, next, after coming to the splitting operation, public void split. Okay, in this split I will call int some parent p and int some child c. Next, coming to int child c. Next, after that, int ib comma jb. These ib and jb are useful for calling the methods in the for loop at a time. Here I am taking in this for loop int I1 equals to 0 in for copying the elements into the child node. I1 is used to specify the child node, and I2 is used to specify the parent node, that is IB values. That is I2 is used for IB and I1 is used for child node. Here two functions are called at a time. Next, what will be the length? So I1 must be less than c dot length. Next, coming to, we have to increment I1 plus plus comma I2 plus plus. Okay, after this for j, enter, same I am copying. In place of I will replace j, sorry, j, next jb, next j1, and here j must be incremented and here j2 must be incremented. So this result will be copied to here c of I j and equals to p of I j. So c represents the child node and p represents the parent node. So the parent node elements, that means parent elements, that means when a matrix is subdivided into different parts, if you take a 2 by 2 matrix, the 2 by 2 matrix will be subdivided into 4 halves. So that 4 halves will be copied into the child matrix. Okay, after this after splitting the given matrix, finally the operations, that addition, subtraction operations, whole operations will be performed. After that we have to join the entire matrices. So here I will copy here, and in place of split I will change it as join. So here in place of split I will replace it as join. So in this join we will use this initial as c and this as parent p. Okay, next here similarly ib and jb, but here as we have to copy the children element into parent element, so we are joining, we are taking p as parent element and c as child element. So child elements will be copied to parent matrix element. So here sorry, here I1 we have to take I1, next here J1, and here I2 and J2. Here parent means I2, J2, next I1 and J1. We have to copy the elements. After that we are calling the main method public static void main. Okay, string args of. Okay, after calling the main method we are calling a scanner class. Scanner scan, to scan the elements we are using the scanner. Scan is equals to new scanner of system dot in. As we imported the system class, here we are imported system scanner, so here scanner package. So the scan, in this scanner package we used to scan the values. Next coming to the returning the values to the methods. Strazen sum s equals to new Strazen of. Next after that system dot out dot println. So we have to enter the order value. So for entering the size of matrix. Okay, after this int sum n equals to scan dot next int of. After this we have to print the first matrix system dot out dot println. So coming to the first matrix, so in this first matrix we will print the elements. So for that I am taking a for loop for int I equals to 0, I must be less than n. Next after that I plus plus. Next there is no need of this. Next for int j equals to 0, j must be less than n, j plus plus. So array of ij or equals to scan dot next int of. Okay, next after this we have to same copy the b elements, so I am copying here, in place of a replace b. Okay, next after that taking the output int c equals to s dot multiply. So here we are calling the multiply operation, multiply capital A comma B. So we are returning here c value. So here the multiply operation will be performed, the result will be stored here. So here we will return the result c. After that so for finding the output, system dot out dot println. So product of A and B matrices. So we are sending the result. So for loop for int I equals to 0, I must be less than n, I plus plus. Similarly for int j equals to 0, j must be less than n, j plus plus. So here we are printing the matrix system dot out dot println. So here we are printing the matrix, so it must be in order. So Cij j plus. Okay, after this, so for giving some gap to one line and on another line, we will use ln function, print ln. Okay, there is no need of colon. Next, close off our main. Okay guys, now let us compile it. There are so many errors here, so I have to save it and compile it. Proceed. Oh my god, there are too many errors. First scanner class, back scanner. Next after this I will check individually. Oh, here the matrix name was not declared. Int capital A of equals to new int of size n by n. Okay, Next, similarly here I didn't declare the b also. Next, after this I want to change, okay, second matrix in place of a change as b. Okay, next after this multiply. What the mistake here? Oh, here I declared it multiple times. Okay, after this split. What the mistake in split method? Let us check it here in the split. Okay, here int jb, here it too also int jb. Next, public int c. Okay, next anymore here too. Next, again it is showing that split has some errors. Int jbib. Okay, whole errors are gone, but our split has some errors. Okay, let's check the errors where it the error present. Here it's error, and save, and I compile it. Oh my god, yeah, it's done. 3 2. I am entering the size of the matrix as 2, and now I am taking the example that I explained in Strasson's matrix multiplication. So here, okay, and next entering the second matrix 5 6 4 3. So we get the output 31 30 13 and 12. So this is the output, you may check it. So guys, if you have any doubts, comment below and share your friends and subscribe my channel, and I will provide the entire code in my website. And if you want to watch the Strasson's matrix multiplication video, I will put it in my link. And guys, if you have any doubts, comment below and watch my previous videos to get entire understanding on this topic of divide and conquer technique. So guys, thank you everyone, and have a nice day.